In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and style text in Draw.io. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're brand new. First, open your web browser and head over to Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. The homepage loads directly into the editor where you'll see a blank canvas in the center, shape libraries on the left, and a formatting panel on the right. That's all you need for today's task. Now let's add text to the canvas. There are a couple of easy ways to do this. You can double-click anywhere on the canvas to instantly create a text box, or you can choose the text shape from the left panel and drag it onto the canvas. Either way, click inside the box and type the words you want. If you need multiple lines, just press Enter to add a line break. You can move the text by dragging it and resize the box using the handles around it. If your text looks cramped or too wide, adjust the box size so it wraps nicely. With your text selected, look to the right side of the screen for the formatting options. If you don't see them, make sure the format panel is visible on the right. When the text is selected, you should see a text section. Here you can change the font family to match your style, increase or decrease the font size for emphasis, and apply bold, italic, or underline for clarity. Alignment controls let you left align, center, or right align your text. You can also set the vertical alignment within the text box so it sits at the top, middle, or bottom, handy when the box is tall. Next, choose your text color. Keep contrast in mind so your words stay readable against the background. If you're using a text shape, you can also adjust the fill and border in the style section to give your text a subtle background or a clean outline. Spacing controls like line height and letter spacing can make longer labels easier to read. If your text needs to stand out, try a slightly larger size, a bolder weight, or a contrasting color rather than over-styling. Once your text looks the way you want, that's it, you're done. You've gone from a blank canvas to a clear, styled label in Draw.io. As you build diagrams, keep your text consistent. Use the same font, size, and color for similar elements so your diagram stays clean and professional. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.